What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We've got your art therapy session sorted out for you this evening with some Halloween Zentangle patterns, and you got your 5-minute affirmation at the end of the show as well. So what are we all waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday videos are Zentangle patterns and affirmation videos to help you lead a positive and more focused life. On a Wednesday, we have mandala drawings. These were drawings from my How to Draw Mandala book. Starting from Wednesday, we are going to be doing some very easy mandala drawings. We're going back to using our compasses again and our protractors, and we're going to be coming up with some really cool mandala patterns. And that's coming up on a Wednesday's show. So I've also been creating all my books for Amazon as well. So my latest colouring books that I've been creating, I'm just going to list the 3 main ones up here at the moment. We have our Feel Good colouring book, Brilliant Positive Vibe colouring book with some great bold fonts and mandala backgrounds. We also have this swear book colouring book, also adult book. This one is, I'm not going to be showing you the content inside or anything like that, but if you want to check it out, you can have a look at it on my Amazon store. Link is in the description below. And we have this animal mandala colouring book too. If you're into your animals and you like your mandala drawings and patterns, check out these ones here. Check out this book here. Absolutely brilliant. It's great for focus, relaxation, having a very calm evening. Great little book. Got filled with all animal patterns, animal faces, ranging from wolves, cats, dogs, elephants, tigers, lions, sphinxes, lots of different animals in this book. There are 50 pages, 50 animal designs to colour in. So you're going to be pretty much it's going to keep you busy for a good few hours. I've also been finishing off an art therapy course as well. So I'll be able to do one-to-one sessions or group sessions for art workshops. Something that is in the pipeline with me at the moment. This is basically a first step to focusing, leading a productive life, manifestation, getting out what you want in life, having a calm, chilled out, relaxed way of life. It's not I will not be a qualified therapist at the end of this. Anything that's more to do with the therapy side, to do with anything that's a little bit more extreme, I will then be passing that information on, or I'll be then recommending you to a mental health expert. My process is the beginning stages of it, helping you to relax, to be calm, and to have a more focused and productive life. What I'll also be doing is I'm also currently in the stages of joining a outreach program called Project Zero. This is in my hometown of Walthamstow as well. I'll be helping out the youngsters, helping out young kids, also their staff as well. So I'll be doing art therapy sessions with them. I'll be doing all sorts of sketching classes and photography classes. All these sort of things are going to be coming up in the works with these group of kids. So I'm very much looking forward to helping the kids out, getting on board with this program and making a big difference and making a big change. Something that I'm very much into and something that I'm very much looking forward to doing as well. I'll be doing little bits and pieces and videos, whether or not they allow the videos or anything like that. So there will be some photographs and things like that. You'll probably see those. You'll check those out on my Instagram, but we'll be seeing that as we progress forwards with that new venture that I shall be heading towards. Very much looking forward to that. And moving on to today's art therapy session, we're going to be drawing this Zentangle Halloween themed, as we're in October, Halloween themed Zentangle patterns. Going to be a few more of these coming up in the next couple of weeks. But let's get this one started, shall we? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did. It's very much appreciated. Now it's time to sit back, relax, get into a comfortable position, close your eyes. It's that chill out time for your 5-minute affirmations. Close your eyes and get comfortable. Sit back and relax and listen to these words. I am allowed to say no and stand up to my negative thoughts. I have the power to let things go. I am allowed to be loud. My thoughts and feelings matter. I like me. I love me. I am not perfect, and that's okay. Good things are coming my way. I'm doing my best, and that's good enough. Today is going to be a great day. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am proud of myself. I am awesome. I do not need other people for happiness. I choose hope over fear. Positivity is a choice that I choose to make. I will not take other people's negativity personally. My commitment to myself is real. I am a diamond, and it is time for me to shine. My opinion matters, and I am a magnet for love. Self-love is a natural state of being. I am loved, and I am wanted. I will stop apologizing for being myself. Negative self-talk has no place in my life. I do not bow to my fears. My mind, body, and soul are fit and strong. I am grateful for the things I have. I will achieve my goals. My goals are simple and uncomplicated. Clients will flock to me. My goals are getting closer to completion every day. I set clear goals and work to complete them every day. I have a plan of action to achieve my desires. My priorities are clear. I work to finish my important tasks first. My goals are my focus. I only set goals that matter. My focus on success is unwavering. When my need is strong, I will find a way. I am committed to becoming the person I will become. Thank you for listening. Now slowly open your eyes. Breathe in deeply and feel more relaxed. Thank you again for listening. Peace out. That's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.